Okay, we're back to the report list, and again, we want to go to this home page. So it's really about the design of not just our home page, which is this, but also what is our results page. So if you've watched the previous video, you can see that I had this pink, and I've changed it to this yellow, QS yellow, to match my logo. I'm just going to refresh the browser, and now I get this yellow. So that yellow is the QS yellow, which I found up here, the official color. I've also went ahead and I found a different image. So you can see I've got a different image now as a background image that I put right here. Now the next stop down is logo URL. What logo URL refers to is when I have the logo right here on my publisher, or when I have the logo up here. If I click there, it currently doesn't go anywhere. What we can do is we can go to the URL of your university, which I'm just taking the QS main page here, and I'm going to put that as my logo URL. So we're just going to see the difference. Right now, if I try to click, it doesn't really go anywhere, it just goes to the same place. After I add that URL here, and I press save, if I refresh my publisher, the web page, and I press here now on the logo, it's going to go to the QS homepage. Same thing here on the results or report page of the publisher. Just want to refresh. Same thing. If I click here, it's going to go to that. So that's a nice option to use. You don't have to put anything there, but you can put whatever you want there. Generally, people put the main link of their university right here. We've already talked about the title and the description, which are the things that are found here and here. What we're going to get to next is this search title. This can be something you can do. I'm just going to put test there. Basically, what this means is once somebody presses search, or sorry, when they, it just appears right here. So it's just kind of like an extension of the paragraph that's above it. Though my recommendation is probably don't use it. It's not really needed. You should be able to put everything you need in this description right here. So my general recommendation is not put anything there for search title. But we do want to get down to the colors of the font colors and the font style and sizes of everything that we see here. So each one of these things, they're numbered 1 through 9. Very small, you can see which each one refers to. You can open this up in a large view to see which each one does. My recommendation is you take what you have is this color of what's across this bar here and across and on this search button, and you put that for the ones that are already not gray. So this one, and this one. And you change these other ones not from this 3F3 F3 to just black, completely black. All zeros, change each one of these like this. Just kind of the easiest way to do it. Black is really pretty simple. It offers a little bit more contrast. By default, we've got every single font as Nota Sans. You could change that to any of the options that are here, which might match the font style of your university. We, of course, don't have that many here, but there are some that will most closely match depending upon if it's sans serif or serif or whatever your design team of your university tells you to use. I would just recommend being consistent of using the same font throughout. So I'm just going to change those colors here to black and yellow, press save, and we're going to see the change. Not here, we won't see any change on this search page or this home page, but we will see it on the search results page. Currently, you remember something was kind of marooned there, and this is kind of this grayish color, and this was this blue right here, and this is this other blue that was there. We're going to change those to just having it be simple of just the yellow and the black is my recommendation. So now you're going to see yellow. This is this yellow here, and that's that yellow there. So you can play around with those. Maybe some people think there's not enough contrast between this yellow and the slight off-white or gray. So you can play around with those of what works best for you and your university.